I always have noise in my background, like, sorry, así es la vida. I was at Dollar General and I went to go pick something up, but they didn't have what I was looking for, clearly, because I went and purchased something that I didn't need. But I saw this brow product and it is new, and I tried to look on the website to check if maybe they had it on there, and I didn't see it on there. I don't know why brands do that sometimes, where they put out new stuff but it's like not on the website. Is that weird? This is the Wowie Skinny Brow Pencil, and we are going to be testing it out today because I want to see if this is a good pencil. I paid, this was $3, but I paid, of course, with taxes, $3.25, so still a good deal. Still a good deal. Still a good deal. It comes with a spoolie, and of course it's capped, and then it comes with the brow product. Let's see how much product's in there. So pretty good amount of product in there, which is really good, you know, save you some coins. By the way, I just picked this up from BH Cosmetics, and I'm like, girl, it better be good, because I hear this is like a dupe for the MAC Studio Fix powder, and I used to be super obsessed with that powder back in high school. It was just something I used on regular. Let me zoom you in so you can see what's going on. These are my brows. I have not moisturized because I don't usually like to moisturize my skin before doing my brows. So if my skin looks dry as fuck, don't fucking worry about it, bitch. That's not your motherfucking business. And what's up with them big ass hoops? Bigger the hoop, you already know. So I got the shade medium brown, and so far this is not a broad pencil because it's not super soft, but it's not like extremely hard. And that's what my brow is looking like. I don't know if you can see right here. There's the shade. What I like to do is comb the brows down and kind of just go in the direction that these brow hairs grow in. And then I just comb them back and fill them in. And then these, I stroke them up just to, of course, give that brow-like hair-like brow. I don't know what I'm saying. Just watch what I'm doing. So it's not a bad brow product. So that's what it's looking like. And right here I naturally have like a, not naturally, but I have a bald spot from when I was a child. I got like chicken pox, and the pox literally took away my, it stopped my hair growth from there. So yeah, and I also had one right here, so you can kind of see like the bald spot. But the product in this kind of reminds me of the Benefit Precisely My Brow. It reminds me of that one, like super bad. Like I think it's like the consistency of it. It reminds me of that stuff. So I did a comparison with the Morphe brow pencil and the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I don't feel like they were dupes, but I do feel like Morphe is a little bit more affordable compared to like the $23 you're gonna spend on a brow pencil. but this one kind of is reminding me of that product. Maybe I'll do a comparison video, but shoot, $3.25 compared to $23 and some change for taxes or whatever. Right now you can't even go in store and buy it. You gotta order online because like nothing's open. Nothing's, like, literally nothing's open right now, so you can't go in store and buy it. So I mean, Dollar General, $4, you can walk in, grab it. If I'm trying to save some coins, I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this brow pencil. I got the shade medium brown. This is the only shade that I did see, but I kind of think it worked out because I do have that little red, faded red look like coming out already, so I don't mind. But let me go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, clean up my brows around, and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is what the eyebrows are looking like. Let me scoot my light a little bit more forward so that way you can see it a little bit more better. Okay, you guys, so this is what the brows are looking like so far, and I think they really look nice. I think that this is a really great product. It's a little bit more on the waxier side, I would say, like a little bit more drier. Like, that's the shade there. This definitely reminds me of the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I think this one might be a little bit more drier than that one. But this is literally $3, well $3.25 with taxes or whatever. But oh, there we go, that's better. Okay, so now I figured out what it was. It was my mirror, like, that's blocking the light. But yeah, you guys, like, this BROWIE Wowie Skinny Brow Pencil, it's new, it's good, it's $3.25 with, that's with taxes included. Girl, go get yourself one of these brow pencils. The only shade that I saw was medium brown. I don't know if maybe they had picked up all the other shades, but for $3, like, this is an awesome brow pencil. It really does remind me of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Let me see if I... So this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil and the L.A.Colors, and $3 compared to $23. That's like a big difference, like in what you're gonna pay. Of course, this one's darker because this is the Precisely My Brow. And of course, this one's darker because of the fact that I bought this when my hair was darker. My hair is a little bit lighter. It's more on the redder side, so that's why I went with medium brown. But these, I definitely feel like they are good dupes. Like, I feel like this is a good dupe. The only thing is I don't know what the shade range is in this. I have to go to a different Dollar General and see if maybe they have like more of a range, because again, they only had this one. And if I find anything online, I'll go ahead and put it here somewhere. But so far, like, this is, I don't know, this is like a really good deal for $3. Like, $3, you get a lot of product in it. It's gonna last you, you know, a good while. I know that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills BROWIE, that one, a lot of people love that one, and they also love this one. But this is definitely a dupe for this. Like, I feel like it is, and I recommend it. I'd rather spend $3 on a brow pencil, and I can buy, you know, other things with the other $20, you know, like buy something else, like another product or two with the $20 that I'm gonna have left over from spending like $23 on a brow pencil. So definitely recommend that. Let me know if you guys like reviews and videos like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do my brows. They are not perfect. My eyebrows, I have like the hardest time with them because the way they grow out, they're just kind of weird. Like, I don't know, but I do try to get them to look a little bit more like similar, and sometimes I can get it done and sometimes I just can't, and that's just the reality of it. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.